Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these 3 super simple DIY skincare products. These are some of the perfect gifts ideas which you can make for your family, friends, or even just for yourself for any occasion or any time of the year. So firstly we are going to be making a lip balm, and for that you just need 2 products, that is a beeswax and the cold pressed coconut oil. Starting with a double boiler, that is nothing but a saucepan of hot water, and then placing a bowl on top of it so that the heat can melt the ingredients and they are well combined. I will also keep the recipe in the description box below so that you can also go through it and make your own lip balm. And once it has completely melted, I will take it off the heat and let it cool for some time. Now at this point you can add a variety of different flavors to it and experiment, but I like to keep it simple, so I'm not adding anything to it. Before it starts to harden, you have to transfer it to a glass jar and let it cool so that it solidifies and is ready to use. Next, we are going to be making this amazing body scrub, which is an essential for winter skincare, and not just for winters, but you can also use the scrub all year long. It's just that in winters our skin tends to get more dry and flaky, and this scrub will help you deal with all the dryness and make it look very soft and healthy, and which is what we need, right? And to be honest, there are a variety of scrubs which you can find in the market, but you could just make these at home for a fraction of what it costs. To make this, all you need is equal parts of grounded coffee powder, coconut oil and granulated sugar or the brown sugar. Now if you have sensitive skin or are using the scrub for the first time, I would highly recommend you to use the brown sugar, as it is a little gentle on your skin when compared to the castor sugar. I am putting these layers of coffee powder, cane sugar and the brown sugar, and I'm trying my best to make these layers look as even as possible. Now these layers are just to make it even more presentable, and in my opinion it surely did, right? And to finish off, I'm just adding a ribbon around the jar along with a wooden spoon to make it even more prettier and convenient to use. Next, we're going to be making this amazing body butter. To make this, you need a 1/4 cup of shea butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and a teaspoon of beeswax on the double boiler. Now it took me a while to get that shea butter out of the box. I should have probably melted it before adding it to the mixture, but anyway. And also it does take a while for a beeswax to melt on the double boiler, so you got to have a little bit of more patience with it and let it melt. Now once everything has melted, I'm just going to take it off the heat and add some vanilla essential oil or the lavender essential oil. You can definitely experiment with a lot of essential oils, but I would suggest you to first do your own research and then use them. For now, I'm adding in the lavender essential oil, which is one of my favorite, and I have been making these body butters for a while now. I definitely enjoy making them, especially in the winter months. Once it has a chance to completely cool down and when you see it starts to harden is when you will have to use a hand mixer, or you can just use a whisker, but I will the hand mixer because it is more easier and faster. Now this step is important because it will add air into the mixture, making it lighter and cream-like consistency. Then transfer it to a glass jar, preferably an airtight container. I'm just adding in a ribbon to just make it even more prettier and nicer and go with the other gifts as well. To assemble everything and to make a nice gift, what I have done is I have reused the basket which I got for Diwali. You can add whatever you're comfortable adding it, or think what the other person receiving it would love to and kind of personalize it. For me, I have added some candles and some under eye patches, some fun things like a sheet mask and a body spray from the Bath and Body Works and all of that, and just made it like a self-care basket for my friend. Now to finish off, I'm using this net material which I got from the local market to wrap around the basket and add a ribbon to it. It is these little small details that makes me feel happy and excited about. You can totally customize according to your taste. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please make sure to be subscribed and keep your eyes peeled for more interesting content, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.